Late na kayo. May event pa kami in 1 hour.
Guys, biglang nag-crash yung presentation file as crafted. Wala akong backup.
Pa rin, may guest na sa lobby. Baka wala tayong mapakain. Ang gulo ng setup, yung stage hindi payos. Sana wala pang backshot. Sana yung tarpaulin.
Kitchen table hindi pa rin ready. Wala pang pens, form, or even guest list.
We're running out of time.
Okay, team, listen up. Alam ko magulo pero hindi tayo dapat mawala ng control. Gamitin natin ang utak, kinis at tiwala natin sa isa't isa. Kaya natin ito. Abot, hanap ko ng projector nearby. Kung wala pa rin suppliers in 10 minutes, kunin mo na ngayon. I-troubleshoot ang mga HDMI ko na kinuwas sumating.
On it, boss. Nag-contact ko sa kabilang building. Tatawagan ko yun.
Please, na file. Kung wala, recreate at simple version from your note. Kahit basic na sa malinaw, kaya mo yan.
Okay, may auto-save sa email ko. I reveal the name after each one.
Pull the key here. Ask for ATA. Kung malayo pa, coordinate with PI. Ibigay ka ng button breaks at quick touch na malapit.
Noted, lalabas namin yung i-assess para ma-cancel ang mga nag-subscribe. Tara, ganda. After yan, ako na rin mag-asikaso ng stage. I'll fix the layout namin.
Good. Jerry, assist niya pagbalik nila. And help me check the tech setup. The audio room, mic, laptop, window, dapat lahat in 20 minutes.
Okay, Edgar. I grabbed the extensions and then everything.
Maria Sol, guys sa situation, use the paper and pens. Manualistic muna tayo. I use the table holder sa hallway.
Let's do this, Christy. Kahit mano-mano lang, maayos na ito. Yes, kayang-kaya pagsama-sama.
I grade every customer to that file.
Presentation ready. Simple version but clear and professional.
Snack, sir. Guess on how to make it.
It's fixed. Banner up. Camera ready. Less tweaking and smooth walang pila.
Mic's working and sliders connected. Sorry.
We're back on track, Edgar.
Amazing job, team. Stay sharp, we move fast, and we adaptive. That's the kind of leadership I believe in. Not about control, but about trust, focus, and action.
Edgar, panalo ka. Ang gusto ko mag-isip.
Adapted ka talaga po. Monitor ang connected.
Nakakala ko gagawin ito. Pero ngayon, excited ako sila.
Tama. We didn't just survive. We learned great.
And we learned a lot. Next time, mas mag-ready pa kami.
Trust you, Edgar. We broke out the best in us. And promise us to be
Salamat sa inyo. Hindi lang ako leader nito. Lahat tayo mayroon. That's what makes us unstoppable. Kung tayo mag-celebrate, gusto ko lang mag-usapan natin kung ano ang nangyari. Yes, we both know kung hindi sabihin doon, okay lang lahat.
Sobrang stressful. Narinig sa projector, hindi na pinagapan agad. Magpapakita na tayo sa client. Back up ako sa cloud and secure. Dapat may plan B ako.
yung catering, hindi natin na-double-check agad before. We relied too much confirmation. Next time, may kailangan ko na talaga.
Dapat may dry run para walang gulat on the day itself. We can afford to lose our credibility. One mistake could cost us future clients. Pero kahit may calls, I'm glad na napag-usapan natin ito. Hindi para magtuluan, kundi para matuto.
Exactly. We grow not just from our wins, but also from our mistakes.
This is how real teams grows. We reflect, we adjust, and we grow. Thank you for being honest. Next time,